Experiencing glitches with your Honda Accord's infotainment system? You're not alone. Many users encounter unresponsive touchscreens, freezing, or lagging. The good news is, often you can fix these problems yourself with a reset. There are three main types of resets. A soft reset or reboot is a quick restart that clears temporary glitches without data loss. Hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds. A hard reset is a deeper reset useful for unresponsive touchscreens. Turn off the vehicle, press and hold the steering wheel's talk button and the volume up-down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then start the vehicle. A factory reset wipes all user data, restoring to default settings. Access via Settings, System, Factory Data Reset. Not recommended unless other resets fail. Keep in mind, Honda has been releasing software updates, including over-the-air updates for newer models from 2022 onward, to address bugs. Ensure your system is up to date before attempting a reset. Also, be aware that the 2025 Accord features a new Android-based system, which is less prone to issues, but the reset methods still apply. Let's walk through the reset procedures. First, the soft reset. Simply hold down the power button on your touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. This clears temporary glitches without losing your data. Next, the hard reset. For more stubborn problems, turn off the vehicle. Then press and hold the steering wheel's talk button and the volume up-down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then start the vehicle. This forces a deeper reboot. Finally, the factory reset. This erases all personal data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this option via Settings, System, Factory Data Reset if available, or through a hidden menu, which may involve holding down the audio and navigation buttons for about 5 seconds. Only use this as a last resort. If your touchscreen isn't responding, make sure it's clean. If available, calibrate the touchscreen through Settings, Display, Touchscreen Calibration. If problems persist after resets, it might indicate a hardware issue requiring professional repair.